Be the structure this or this, all we need to do is add an extra transverse, extra parallel line to the pre-existing pair of parallel lines. Now these being the parallel lines, I have to pick another parallel line, and here these being the parallel lines, these will suffice and the triangle property will help us arrive at the solution. Now this is shoe shape structure, and I have to add a parallel line here so that these are already given parallel lines, and so that this and this will have this transversal, and this will have this transversal, and as usual the properties operate for the parallel lines. There are many ways to arrive at this problem using the manifold properties of the parallel lines, and the easiest is the co-interior angles here, or arriving at directly the corresponding angles. This will be 100, and once this is 100, we know that this forms a triangle here, and this will happen to be 180 minus 126, because here angle sum property of the triangle operates, and angle sum property says that it is the three angles sum is 180, and here we get 54 degrees. Once this is 54, this will be linear pair operating here, and it is once again 180 minus 54 comes to 126. The other way going about this problem is 100 is here and this is 80. If this is 80 and this is 26, this part will be the difference between these two, 54, and therefore these being four interior angles, 54 and 126 make up 180, and 180 minus 54 will be 126. These are the two methods of arriving at the answer. This last bit is quite simple. This is AB and this is CD, and this will be 65 degrees. Why? Corresponding angles are equal for a pair of parallel lines with transversal. And now this happens to be 115. Why? Linear pair is 180. So 180 minus 65 will give me 115. Now the other part is the angle sum property of the triangle here operates. These will be 145, and my answer for x will be 35. And the setup of the equation is with reason. This, and the reason is this for finding out x. Very simple problem. All we need to do is set up the linear equations, and the answers come out with the properties of the parallel lines with the transversal. With these two parallel lines and the transversal, these angles are corresponding angles, and they happen to be equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore 3x plus 2 equals 4x minus 23, and the rest is math, as you know. This comes this side and this goes the negative, and therefore x will be 25 degrees. And here this and this are alternate interior angles, and as you know, alternate interior angles are equal for a given pair of parallel lines with the transversal. Therefore 4x minus 6 will be equal to, and once again simple math, this comes this way and this goes this side. And for the last one, these two happen to be co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles is always supplementary. Therefore adding up gives 8x, and this going that way is 192, and x value will be 8 ones, 8 twice, and 4, 24 degrees.